Hey guys, so this video today is going to include a couple of updates and kind of taking you throughout my day as I refresh my house, clean my Airbnb, and food. I have a lot I want to take you through, so let's get to it. Hello, my friend. We are just going to pretend I haven't been gone for, what, a year? It has been a while, hasn't it? I took a much needed break. Who knew it was going to take so long, but I am so excited to be back. And now I have some extra downtime in between managing properties, mom stuff, and wifing. This time of year, I am in the season of revitalizing my house and giving different rooms a little facelift by doing little projects around it. So I want you to come along with me and refresh my house with me. I am going to start with the kitchen, but first I want to take you throughout my day. I am starting off by creating my to-do list before I work a little bit on the Airbnb and getting a workout in. I decided that before my workout I would get to cleaning up the Airbnb a little bit and at least get a load of laundry in. I actually changed the curtains in our Airbnb the same day. So subscribe if you want to see how that turned out. I wanted to move up the curtains to give it a more elegant feel. It looks so beautiful. So follow for more. I just wanted to quickly show you guys this broom holder wall mount that I bought off Amazon, so I'll link it down below, but it's very sturdy and it holds everything perfectly. I just wanted to quickly tidy up the mess that was made this morning, getting the kids ready and out of the house quickly. There was a little bit of mess left behind, so I cleaned that up. And then I wanted to make my energy drink, so I'd have some energy for this workout that I'm trying to get in, because I was tired.
A little bit high on the feeling, can't seem to focus.
Okay, so now I'm making my protein coffee. Recently I've been loving to put protein in my coffee. So after I make my cup of coffee, I put it inside the fridge so it can get cold. Then I do about a half a cup of milk, a little bit of creamer. I just added today because I wanted to try it, which makes it taste like 10 times better. Just a little bit of creamer you need, and my protein, my dimetized protein that I got from Fitness Connection, and then I just mix it up with my little whisk. I love this little whisk. I bought it from Target, but if I find it on Amazon, I'll link it down below. It's very convenient. And then I just add some ice, and then I pour my coffee on top, and voila, a delicious, it tastes like a milkshake. It's very good. And an easy way of getting in some extra protein.
Cola, wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty up from the minute that I met you.
I'm back, guys. This break was much needed. I had a lot of things going on trying to figure out life and just where I was at. So it's already 11:45. I already feel like I had a full day. I'm tired. I'm still drinking my protein coffee. And then I'm gonna get my steak sandwich, which I'm so excited about. I usually make an egg, toast an egg in the morning, my toast egg sandwich, but I really wanted this sandwich and I didn't want to fill up on that before I get that, because I knew I was going to leave the house a little later today to get these other things done. And so yes, let's get started because I am running behind and I have to be to the kids before 3. So let's go. Okay, getting ready for the Super Bowl. I just stopped to me and B's. Just came from the bank. The bank actually went a lot faster than I thought it was, so I'm doing good on time for the most part. Oh, this is steak Sammy. Oh, I can't wait. Should I eat it now? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go open up the gate at the shop and then I will eat it while I'm there. I'm loving this. I'm loving this new transition. I feel like I feel a lot less stressed. So I realized I didn't say what the transition was, but I was managing my dad's tire and battery company after he passed away the last few years. And we shut the business down, and now I'm just managing the property and the rentals that are in the building currently. Even though I still have some responsibility with the company, I just feel like a huge weight has lifted off my shoulders because it was a lot. And I feel like now I actually have time to pour into my family and my kids, so thank you, Lord.
Smoking outside, trying to get your attention. You make me nervous. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty ugly from the minute that I met you.
I'm gonna show you all the sandwich. Pause this. Okay. So excited. Oh no, I'm so hungry. Look at that. Looks like it has mashed potato in it. Caramelized onion. Oh. And steak. Y'all, this is so good. So I go to Me and B's a lot. Not just because my friend is co-owner, but their food is amazing. Like, they never miss. From all the things that I've tried so far, they've never missed. Okay. Let me finish this. I'm gonna finish this. I usually save the next half because there's 2 of these. For either later in the day or the next day. And this bread is like thick enough that it's still good the next day. So I'm gonna finish this, and then I have 1 to 2 more stops to make. finally back home after getting the girls from school, and I am finishing the last part of my curtains. And guys, I'm so excited to show you the before and after. Like, it is night and day. So stay tuned for the next video where I will show you the before and after. Also, please comment down below if you'd like to see more videos like this, and just let me know what you'd like to see in general, because it's been a while. I'm just coming back. And please subscribe. See you guys in the next video.
I know that we just met the other night, but I can't get you off my mind. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty over from the minute that I met you.